This is a very common question. I'm not going to do all of it. The first part wants us to find the simplified form for the difference quotient for the function f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 4. So this is the difference quotient. And what we first need to do is figure out what f of x plus h is equal to. That means everywhere in the original f of x that there is an x, we are going to replace it with x plus h. So we'll have x plus h to the second minus 3 times x plus h plus 4. The x plus h to the second, remember, means that it's x plus h times x plus h. So you would need to FOIL that. When we do, we'll have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Now distribute the negative 3, so we'll have negative 3x minus 3h plus 4. I'm looking to see if I can combine anything, and I cannot. So now we do have that f of x plus h is really x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 4. We also have that f of x is x squared minus 3x plus 4. And we're going to now make the substitution of those two things into this difference quotient. So we'll have the f of x plus h that we're going to substitute for minus the f of x, which we have highlighted up there in green, and all of that will be over h. So I'm going to do my substitution here. So for the f of x plus h, I'm simply going to put in the highlighted yellow portion. So I'll have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 4. That's your f of x plus h. Then we're going to subtract the f of x. So f of x was in green. I'm going to use parentheses so that I do remember to distribute that negative. And all of that is over a single h. So I'm going to distribute this negative throughout the parentheses. And when I do, you'll see that we can combine some like terms. So we'll have a negative x squared. We'll have a positive 3x. And we'll have a negative 4. And again, all of that is over h. So if I combine like terms in the numerator, the x squared minus x squared will cancel out. The negative 3x plus 3x will cancel out, as will the positive 4 and the negative 4. And so we come up with, I don't want to run out of room here, we come up with 2xh plus h squared minus 3h, and that's all over a single h. I can factor out the h in the numerator. That gives me 2x plus h minus 3 over h. I can then cancel the factor h and finally get the simplified form of the difference quotient, which is 2x plus h minus 3. So that is the answer for A. Now I'll quickly do the first one in B. They tell me that x is 8 and h is 2. So I'll have 2 times 8 for x plus 2 for h minus 3. And 16 plus 2 is 18. Minus 3 is 15. And so the first answer in your columns up here is 15.